YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my skincare routine, and I actually partnered up with a company for this video, and the company's name is Duval, and they sent me their Radiance skincare system. So I'm going to show you guys how to use it and all the things like that. And then if you stay until the end of the video, I also have a way where you can get this system for money off. So if you're interested in watching this video, stay tuned. Okay, so this is what I was sent. So this is the full system. So on the back it tells you everything it comes with. So it comes with the facial exfoliating brush, which is this brush right here, I believe. The large body cleansing brush, which is this large brush right here that you can use on your body. They have the facial cleansing brush, which I'm guessing this is this other small brush at the top. And then they have a pumice stone, which is this at the bottom, which you can use on your feet or anywhere on your body where you have like dry skin, things like that. So out the package, this is what you get. Everything is stored in this clear tray. And then it also comes with like instructions for like how to care for the brushes, how to store them, things like that. So this isn't my first impression, but when I did first open the box, I felt like this was like very sturdy and heavy. I feel like you're getting your money's worth because it just feels like it's not gonna break on you. It's not the $5 one like this one that I got from Five Below. Like, it's gonna do what it needs to do. So I have the brush on the machine itself. So I'm gonna go ahead, put my face wash on here and wash my face, and we're gonna come back and see if it do what it do. So I just washed my face and made a damn mess, but I just washed my face. So my face is all washed, as you can see. So by the way, this is the face wash I use. Nothing too fancy, nothing too expensive. You can get this from Walmart or like CVS, any drugstore, you know, stuff like that. So this is what I use on my face every morning. So I just wash my face, and then this is the moisturizer I use. Cetaphil, Cetaphil, however you want to pronounce it. I'm not a dictionary, so you pronounce it how you want to pronounce it. But I take this and take some out. Not too much. You don't want to put too much on there, even though it is a moisturizer. You still don't want to overdo it, because then you don't want to be walking around looking like a donut. So yeah, I just take this. I rub it in real good for a couple seconds, just so some of it does evaporate or rub in, however you want to say it. And then I'll go ahead and rub it on my face. So yeah, once I rub that into my face, I am done. Like, I literally don't do that much to my face, just because I just feel like if my skin is okay, there's no point. Like, as you can see, like, my skin is clear for the most part. Like, so I don't do too much, because doing too much is not necessary with the skin. So overall, so I've been using this brush for like, I'm gonna say 3-4 days now, and overall I would say the brush is worth it. And this brush does retail for $95, but that's why I was saying stick around to the end of the video, because now is the end of the video, and I do have a coupon code for you guys to get this brush for 70% off. So if you are interested in purchasing this brush, that coupon code will be linked down below for you guys to go ahead and purchase it. So yeah, like I said, I feel like this brush is 100% worth it. This $95 brush compared to the $5 brush that I've been using for like a month or two now, you can clearly see the difference in my skin. I personally can. Like, this one does clean, but it only cleans so much. This one is a much deeper clean. So I would say I definitely prefer this brush over that one, just because of how much deeper this one cleans than that one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out that coupon code that is in the description box below. Also remember to follow me on my social medias. Those will also be linked down below. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.